It's giving me a weird sound. Ah, we watching TV. Going to the panel beaters. We're fetching the Range Rover Sport, the 2018. Helicopter. Yeah, we just collected the Range Rover 2018 HSE. It's a beautiful car, guys. Yeah, now we're heading back to the office. Yeah, the interior is beautiful, and I'm actually listening to Uzalo, SAPC 1.
You have to change trains.
Then when I actually tap, it goes to SAPC 2.
And then once there's a compression, you actually help me
know?
think.
Yeah, it's giving me a weird sound. Ah, we watching TV.
My name's Craig from TV Licensing. Bro, what?
Hey. Oh, this guy is incredible. One of my all-time favorite Uzalo. Then how does this happen? This guy is too dope. Guys, check this is SAPC 1 HD Uzalo. And as you can check, there you go. These are adverts. We're watching TV. Speaking TV in Pacho. Look at the quality screen right there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're just waiting for the car to warm up. We're watching TV in the meantime. HD Sports. Oh! Under 20 World Cup 2025. Argentina versus what? Let's go back to radio. Put radio, Safety first, yeah. But it's scrumptious. It's nah. No one knows. No one knows. Cause it's like when I got in the car, I know radio, right? And I'm like, no man, unless it's an SAPC advert or something. So this car comes with a TV, it's dope. But it's not quite safe for like when you're driving. It's actually meant for the passenger or when you're stationary. You understand? So you just need to concentrate on the road. It comes with a TV. As we enter Dealer's Choice at the Core Shopping Center. Here we are at Dealer's Choice. This is where you go in. Underground situation tunnel. I know when I'm bored what I'm going to do now. They should buy this car quick before I get inside and start watching a whole lot of TV. I'm joking.
And DSTV channel 404.